Most businesses want to send bulk WhatsApp alerts to their customer, but the biggest problem is getting their number banned of using the wrong methods. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to properly import bulk contacts and send WhatsApp alerts professionally using Pabbly Chatflow without increasing the risk of getting banned. We will learn how to upload contacts in bulk, send broadcasts safely, use templates correctly, and follow the best practices that businesses use for WhatsApp marketing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, select the application as Pabbly Chatflow and go towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now for uploading a bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you just have to go inside this contacts feature. So this is the contacts feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage contacts. Now for adding it, you just have to click on this plus add contacts button. You can add contacts one by one manually, but in this tutorial our objective is that how you can import bulk contacts. So for that you just have to click on this option. After that you just have to upload a CSV file that contains the user's details, means their name and their contact number. Now what is CSV files? So CSV is the simplest format of file that consists of data in the simplest format. You can create a CSV file by using Excel or Google Sheets. So this is the file that I have already created before inside my Google Sheet. Here I added my user's first name, last name and phone number. Now for downloading it in a CSV format, you have to click on this files option and click on this option. After that, download it in comma separated values until the file gets downloaded. I want you to know that only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. Now for uploading, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert button, and see, this is how easily you can upload the bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Next, you just have to click on this plus add contacts. You can also create a contact list from here by click on this plus option. I have already created some here. Now let's move to the most interesting part, that how you can do the WhatsApp broadcast. So for that, you just have to go in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts without getting banned. It is perfect for announcement, promotions and updates. This is one of the most powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and trust me, the steps are the simplest. Now for creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. And this page is going to be appear in front of you, where at first you have to select the broadcast type that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast one name. Let's say I give it as test broadcast. After that, select the contact list from here. I am selecting as new list. See, this is the same list that I have created here. After selecting the list, you just have to refine the audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that will not receive the broadcast, then you can select that contacts from this drop down. I am not selecting anyone. After that, you can enable this toggle if you want to skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now next to the most important part, where you just have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting this option. Select the message type from here and enter the message content in this field. But I recommend you to go with this pre-approved template message, because templates are approved by Meta and it follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. Now for selecting the template, you just have to click on this button. I want to send an exclusive travel offer template, so I am selecting this from here. See, this is the template I already created before. Now in this body name field, I am going to enter a dollar symbol with name. With the help of this field, automatically in place of this, the user user's name will come. After that, I'm clicking on this option and uploading one image related to my business. Let's say I want to upload this. Here I'm selecting it. After selecting it, I am clicking on this insert button. See, the image is uploaded successfully, and this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, I'm clicking on this done button. So now I think you might be wondering how you can create this type of attractive templates. So for that, you just have to go in this templates feature and click on this plus add templates. Templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your site. It is a predefined message that is used for easy access and scale communication. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a WhatsApp templates inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. After selecting the template, I am entering the username as a test user. Next, in this phone number field, I am going to enter my number manually just only for the testing purpose. After adding my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. I'm also going to show you my WhatsApp account too. See, immediately I received a new template that includes my name as a test user after this hey automatically and all the details that are present inside this template. This means till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. After that, you just have to schedule the broadcast. You can send the single template to all of your users by selecting this option and click on this plus add broadcast. But here I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast at 30th of May at 2 p.m. See, on 30th of May 2026 at 2 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my 55 contacts. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. See, it says that broadcast created successfully and our broadcast is going to be appear here too. So this is how easily you can do the WhatsApp broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. And I have created this as a complete example. You can customize the template, add more offers, promotions, announcements completely based on your business and needs. Once you understand the logic, you can do it with ease. So if you face some difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing broadcast message, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while understanding the setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.